ever tried to, like, build something, really massive? And I mean really fast.
Like faster than it takes to renovate a bathroom?
Way faster. We're talking about building a supercomputer from scratch. That's what Elon Musk's xAI just pulled off with Colossus, their new AI brain, basically.
A titan of AI.
Totally. So are you ready to, like, dive into the tech behind this thing?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Okay, so you've heard about GPUs, right?
Those things that make your computer games look amazing.
Exactly. Now imagine cramming 100,000 of the most powerful GPUs on the planet into one place.
Whoa.
That's Colossus, tucked away in Tennessee. It's the world's biggest AI training cluster, built in a ridiculously short amount of time, just 122 days.
122 days. That's insane for a project of that scale.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the speed partly comes down to xAI's link with Tesla, you see. Tesla, they already had a huge stockpile of these super valuable H100 GPUs, the brains of the operation.
So they were ahead of the game from the start.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See, during that whole global chip shortage thing,
Right.
Tesla, they'd already grabbed a ton of these H100 GPUs, which is interesting because not only are there just a ton of these GPUs, it's the type of GPU that is important here. These aren't just any GPUs, they're Nvidia H100s. Each one comes with something called a transformer engine.
Okay, got to stop you there. Transformer engine, that sounds kind of important, but...
It is. It's like this. AI models, they're trained on massive, and I mean truly massive amounts of data, right? It's like feeding information to a brain, helping it learn. The transformer engine, what it does is it makes that whole learning process way, way faster.
So it's like supercharging the AI's learning.
Exactly. And it's specifically designed to work with the type of AI models that xAI is building. It helps them process information and make connections way faster than was possible before.
Wow. So, okay, back to this 122 days thing. Even with the GPUs ready to go, that's still crazy fast.
It really is. It's a seriously impressive feat of engineering.
It really makes you wonder what they're going to do with all that power.
Well, that's the exciting part, isn't it? This is all about their new language model, Grok.
Right, Grok. Elon Musk is aiming to make it the most powerful AI, like, ever. And he's saying he can do it by December 2024. That's practically tomorrow.
Less than a year, yeah.
What will that even look like?
It's hard to say for sure, but we can make some guesses. So Grok is xAI's entry in the world of what we call large language models.
Like ChatGPT or Bard?
Yes, exactly. Think of it like this. Imagine feeling a computer program every single book, every article, every tweet, everything ever written.
Oh.
That's essentially how these models learn to understand and then generate human-like text.
So the bigger the data set, the, smarter the AI.
Right,
Yeah.
You got it. And that's why this whole race for AI dominance is so important. Whoever can build the most advanced language model, well, it's going to be a game changer.
Hugely impactful. For all of us.
Yes. Customer service chatbots, how we search for information online, all of it could be different.
Speaking of different, we've got to talk about the speculation that Grok could be used to power Tesla's Optimus robot.
Oh, yeah, that's huge. If Musk can pull that off, imagine the possibilities.
Imagine the profits.
Exactly. No, but seriously, the advancements we're seeing in AI, especially in models like Grok, they have huge implications for robotics.
Robots that can actually understand us.
Yes. Imagine robots that can not only perform tasks, but really understand complex commands and adapt to new situations instantly.
Okay, so to be clear, xAI builds this crazy, powerful supercomputer really fast. They're working on what might be the most advanced AI ever. And this AI could be used to power robots.
That's about the size of it, yeah. It's a wild time to be alive.
It really makes you think, what will our world actually look like even just a year from now?
It's hard to even imagine. Who knows what they'll come up with next?
Thanks for, breaking it all down for me.
Anytime. It's been fun.
Until next time.